Do you find yourself always typing in the same documentation notes for certain line items? The load note function is a time-saving tool that will help you become more efficient in your estimating process. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use and access the load note function for standard documentation notes. In this estimate, a room dryout is needed due to flood damage. I'll need to add 3 air movers and 2 dehumidifiers to the living room, each for 3 days. For my job, these line items are quite common, and I find that I generally need to add the same standard documentation notes for these 2 items. Xactimate can save these documentation notes so I can add them to future estimates with just a few clicks, rather than typing them out each time. To start, I'm going to add a note that I can save and use later. In the quick entry field, I'm going to add the air mover line item. Since I need to specify that I'll need 3 units for 3 days and not 9 units for 1 day, I'll need to add a documentation note to that line item. I'll click on the Attachments link from the quick entry field. From the Notes template window, I'll click on the Load Notes icon. In this window, I can add, edit, and delete saved notes. I'll click Add and create a unique code for this note. Since I'm adding the note for the days an air mover is needed, I'm going to call it Air Day and input that into the code box. Next, I'll add the note 3 for 3 days and click OK. To add it to my line item, I'll highlight the code, click OK, and then close. Accessing a note that I've already saved is easy as a double click. In this estimate, I've already added the dehumidifiers, but I need to add the documentation note to that item. To do this, I'll double-click on the Line Items Notes icon to bring up the Notes window. I'll click the Load Notes icon, select the unique dehumidifier code that I've previously made, and click OK. I'll see that my save note appears in the Notes window, and I'll click Close. On the line item, there is a number 1 next to my note icon. When I hover my mouse over the icon, I can see the attached note. And that's the time-saving load note feature in Xactimate. If you have additional questions, check out the description below for a link to our e-service center. Fill out the survey below to let us know if there's anything you'd like to learn more about. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Xpert tips each week.